Hi everyone, this is Srini here. Welcome back to my channel. And this is the fourth video in our play series, right? That is for the automation architect interview questions. And I hope you would have gone over my previous videos. If not, please do go ahead and look at my previous videos. And please do subscribe to my channel if you like it. Okay. So let's have a look at the next part of our today's topic, that is solving one to two coding questions as would be asked to you by the interviewer in the interview, right? And this is a definite thing and the most important thing which is going to decide the fate of the interview. The reason I say is that because they want to test the technical efficiency of the programmer. This is for the architect role, so this is the most important part, this one, and the code related debugging thing or the design patterns, you call it the code review practices, right? So many things are there. Okay, so I just would want to capture everything here, so I'm going to mention all of those here, right? Design patterns, in my next video I'll talk in detail. Code practices, right? Debugging skills, right? These are going to be required to the core when you are basically going to be selected for this particular role. So this is of utmost importance. Okay, so let's talk about in detail about the two websites which are going to be so important for you to be able to fare well during the interview. So I've already opened it to explain it. So this is the first website, Neat Code. So here you would have different types of complexities of questions like easy, medium, and hard. And there are for different topics which I mentioned. This is for Java. I have just taken up an example. So you can see here that we have arrays topic, strings topic, linked list, trees, right? Sorting, searching, dynamic programming, design, mathematics, others, etc. But we are focusing on only the medium collection interview questions because this is what the complexity you can expect for a automation architect. They will not go for easy, and there are less chances for hard. Depends on which company you are getting interviewed for. If it is the top product based companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Netflix, etc., then there might be a chance of hard questions as well. But generically, other product based companies or service based companies, they will go for easy to medium. They may not go beyond medium. So you need to prepare these different questions. Okay, so you need to log in order to be able to look at these questions because it is, I think, masked currently. But you can explore this playlist. I can give this link of this playlist in my link, give the link of this questions in my video, and you can go through it, right? So I'd strongly recommend to go ahead and practice arrays and strings, this particular topic, because this is a topic where generally the interviewers go ahead and try to evaluate the candidate. They don't go into depth of these different design based or data structure based questions as such. If you're not looking for top product based companies, the normal companies, right, the service based and the other product based companies, they don't go too much in depth into these different types of programming questions like linked list, trees, graphs, backtracking, etc. These are only for top product based companies. I have seen that they go too much in depth, and I have been an interviewer myself personally, and being in different companies throughout my career, I've seen what is the general way of how companies go about their interview evaluation. So arrays and strings are the most common area which I have seen they try to evaluate a candidate. Okay, the next website is that Geeks for Geeks, a very important one. And these are the different links which I'll also put in my video. And you can see here, company wise, there are different interview questions which you can do, like for Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, etc. Right? And you can see here that different topics wise, there are different interview questions. So I'll open up a couple of them for arrays and strings, as I mentioned. These are the ones which are going to be of top importance. So for array C, there are different questions which I mentioned here, and you may find solution as well in these different links. So I would strongly advise you all to go ahead and prepare these questions thoroughly. And you can also go for some more questions if you have done these questions already. And these are very commonly asked across different companies. So it's a very useful questions, right? And apart from that, in strings, these are very common questions which I have seen the interviewers ask these days, and not so difficult, neither so too easy. So these are like mid-level questions, like easy to medium questions you can expect to be asked. And there are other questions also. You can go through these different links given on the left-hand side, right? And there are must-true coding questions for product-based companies. So there are so many important links available. I'll mention all of them, whichever I feel is important for you all to prepare, right? So that is primarily the agenda for this particular video, guys, where I had wanted to explain you all or show you all what are the different websites you can look for the interview questions. There is one more website which I have seen. I'll mention that, but it's up to you if you want to mention more. You can say for experienced professionals. Right? I just scroll down a bit. It's in my mind. I'll just try to show it to you all once. Yeah, basically you need to mention here for coding, okay? Because there will be interview questions for experience also. I mean, for theoretically as well. So Java coding interview questions for experience you need to type here. And DigitalOcean is good website. This also you can prepare. And yeah, Java T point is also good. Okay, but these are very basic level ones. These are not as difficult as Geeks for Geeks or Lead Code, but still you can have a look at these questions, and also they've given solutions. And these also will be able to help you to understand the primary basic logic of how strings, arrays, and things you can try to form logic. And once you have done practicing with these two, which are very basic ones, you can then go for Lead Code and Geeks for Geeks. But these ones are important from an interview perspective. That's why I had mentioned these two. Okay. So wish you all the best for the interview. Thank you so much. And if you have any comments, please do let me know on what video you want me to prepare. Thank you so much.